Bring your arms out to the sides. Stretch them out. Inhale deeply. And then on the exhale, let's bring the arms together and cross the right elbow past the left, like this. And then bend at the elbow so that the arms are perpendicular to the ground, and rotate the wrists so the palms are facing outward. Then the outer arm, which is right now my left arm, is going to come in towards me and around. And I'm going to press the hands together. Obviously, they're not matching up perfectly. I mean, one's lower than the other, and for some of you that it may not match that even that much, but like if you can just bring it in towards you and around as much as you can, and then have the arms pressing into each other, and if your palms are touching, then have the palms pressing into each other. Okay, this is what we want here. It looks from the side, it looks like that. Okay, and then on the inhale, draw the elbows away from the body. You're going to start to feel a stretch in your shoulder area. And very subtle move. Exhale and start to draw the elbows downwards. And I don't mean like this, okay? Just kind of subtly, you can just feel it in your body. Just draw them slightly downwards. Inhale and draw the elbows away from the body. Exhale, slightly down. Again, subtle move. Just do a few of these. Inhale, elbows away from the body. Exhale down. The neck remains tall and straight and yet relaxed. So make sure that you're not tightening up the neck. And then inhale the arms out. And then exhale as you cross over the left elbow past the right. Bring the elbows up. Bring the forearms up perpendicular to the ground. This time my outer arm, which is my right arm, comes in towards me and then around. Pressing the arms and the palms into each other. Inhale, the elbows away from the body. Exhale slightly down. Keep the neck relaxed. Eyes are closed and relaxed. And just go deep into your breath. Inhale, elbows away from the body. And exhale, down. Once more. Inhale, elbows away from the body. And exhale down. Inhale and open the arms out. And then the final thing I like to do after this is to just bring the arms back and interlace the hands together and straighten the arms. Okay, the shoulders come down and back. And then on the next inhale, just raise the hands up away from the body, away from the floor. My spine remains tall. I'm in a light neck lock. Okay. So I'm not doing this, right? My spine is tall, chin is level. And just keep the hands up and breathe long and deep. Shoulders are down and back. Chest is open. And then inhale deeply. Lift the hands up a little bit higher. The arms up. The arms are straight. And then exhale and slowly bring the arms back down, the hands down, and release the hands.